Yo, what is up, guys? We just finished our collab with ML Outdoors. A couple cool people. Jake and his girlfriend Krista. Now we're inside an abandoned warehouse. Some kind of old factory that's got a ton of cool cars.
I think through like security cameras now to get my batteries.
Yes, that's a fire truck.
I like that.
It's fine, your car's missing a few of those.
Only one.
Oh, the big crane hook.
I really hate that these things aren't connected.
Wow. This is cool.
Imagine that. This is the smell.
I do love that smell of old cars and metal.
I don't.
Yeah. Nothing but pleasant smell.
Christmas decorations. Okay, guys, we made it up here. We had to go through this maze of dirty, rusty, crappy water. Pretty much an obstacle course of stuff to get up here. Just look down there. All of that is the water and muck. It looks dry, but that's not dry. There's tons of water. Like, not gonna be allowed to ride in just this car back, but we made it. Look at this, the hand is all sorts of dusty and dirty, and I touched some weird stuff over there. Just all that soot. Holy hell.